love seeing the stairs and how many people were there. That's the best thing. Seeing all those people watching me and my friends performing, that was just amazing. And they're all strangers, so you have to set a good impression. I love seeing those cup things up there and on the ceiling. I'd love to go back to the Royal Albert Hall because I love the vibe of it. It's really like a great performance space to have, and you can always just be free and be yourself on the stage. And when you perform there, you just feel like a wave of overwhelming joy. Well, I performed at Sky Full of Stars and No Limit on my French horn, and that was 2 years ago. But I still remember it. It's a very memorable experience.
I really liked the dressing room energy. It was so much fun, and also we got to see everyone perform. Like, we were sitting in the audience, and it was really fun. Yeah.
The thing I enjoyed most really was like how vast it was and like how many people were in the dressing room, because it was like a really good like atmosphere and stuff. My parents really enjoyed it as well when they came to see it.
I really liked how everybody got to be on stage at once. So there's the main stage, but then there's also the choir stalls and the pit in the arena, and so everybody got to be on stage at once, and that was really cool.